When your sneeze can unmake the world, even the common cold becomes a catastrophe. One power divides, another multiplies. Between them, the world struggles to remain singular.
This is exactly what they warned us about. Your severing energy is destabilizing, splitting reality at the quantum level. If we can't control this, if we both lose it at the same time, we could fracture this entire building.
And this is why we're officially banned from catching colds. Last time you sneezed, you created 47 different timelines, but we've already cleaned up. You spent 3 days figuring out which one was real.